how to save $10,000 in 1 year. 5 high-paying remote side hustles you can do from home. Imagine this. It's 1 year from now. You're scrolling through your bank account and you see $10,000 sitting there waiting for you to do something amazing with it. What if I told you that you could make that happen? Without a second job, without leaving your couch, and without a boss breathing down your neck. If that sounds too good to be true, well, let me prove you wrong. Let's face it, we've all been there, barely scraping by, stressed about bills, and wishing we had more financial freedom. But here's the thing, it's time to stop living paycheck to paycheck. Time to take control. You don't need a crazy startup idea or to hustle 80 hours a week. What you need is smart side hustles. And lucky for you, I've got 5 high-paying remote side hustles that can help you save $10,000, right from the comfort of your own home. Before we dive into these game-changing side hustles, let's get real. Financial freedom isn't some far-off dream. It's about making smart choices today. And trust me, you can absolutely hit that $10,000 goal if you start now. But it doesn't come easily. And if you're thinking, I'll start next month, you're already behind. So, what are you waiting for? Side hustle number 1, freelance writing or copywriting. All right, the first hustle I'm going to share with you is freelance writing or copywriting. If you're someone who can string a few words together, then you're already ahead of the game. You'd be surprised how much companies pay for good copy. And we're talking high-paying gigs here, $100, $200, even $500 for a single project. Yeah, I know, sounds like you'd have to be a genius, right? Spoiler alert, you don't. If you can send a text message, you can write. And here's the kicker, you can do this all from home on your own schedule. I mean, you could be writing about literally anything, from tech to travel, fashion to finance, if the world needs your words. But here's the catch. The writing world is competitive. The only way to stand out is by building a portfolio, pitching clients, and being consistent. But here's where it gets exciting. As you build your reputation, you can charge higher rates. And before you know it, you're raking in money without leaving the couch. Now, you're thinking, that sounds great, but what if I want something that doesn't involve writing? Well, hold tight because I've got 4 more incredible options for you. Side hustle number 2, virtual assistants. Next up, virtual assistants. If you're the type of person who is organized and loves helping others get things done, then this one's for you. Virtual assistants can make anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour, and this job is blowing up right now. Think about it. Business owners need help, but they don't need to hire someone full-time. So they outsource tasks like managing emails, scheduling meetings, customer service, and even social media management. And you could be the one they turn to, making money from home with 0 commute. But here's the catch. It's not just about being good at admin work. It's about being proactive, taking ownership of your tasks and helping clients solve problems. If you can do that, the income potential is limitless. Just imagine a few hours a week and your bank account starts looking pretty fat. Okay, we've covered writing and assistance, but let's say you're more of a creative thinker. What if you could start making money by helping people build their brand? Let's jump into hustle number 3. Side hustle number 3. Social media management number 3. Do you know how much businesses spend on social media marketing? Millions. And guess what? You can be the person managing those accounts, creating posts, and engaging with their followers. This is where you can make serious money. Now here's the thing. The market is flooded with people who claim they know how to manage social media. But if you can actually create engaging content that gets results, clients will throw money at you. I'm talking $1,000 plus per month for a single client, just for posting a few times a week. You don't need a marketing degree, but you do need to understand what works online. You have to be able to track analytics, understand engagement rates, and adapt your strategies. But once you get the hang of it, you're golden. Now, I know you're getting excited, but stick with me. If you want to make money from home, you can't forget the power of online teaching. Keep watching, I've got 2 more powerful side hustles to blow your mind. Side hustle number 4, online coaching or tutoring. Hustle number 4 is online coaching or tutoring. You don't need a PhD to teach what you already know. If you're good at a subject, whether it's math, music, fitness, or even life coaching, there's a market for you. Okay, before you say, but I can't teach anything. Let's be real, you've taught your friends how to do something, haven't you? Whether it's a new skill, a trick, or even a life hack, you're already teaching. Imagine doing this for a living. Platforms like VIP Kid, Teachable, or Skillshare let you turn your expertise into cash. You can create video courses, do one-on-one coaching sessions, or teach group classes. And the best part? You get to set your own rates. Now, are you ready for the fifth and final hustle? Hold tight because this one might just be the most lucrative of them all. Side hustle number 5, e-commerce and dropshipping. And the final hustle, e-commerce and dropshipping. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that for people with huge budgets? Well, let me stop you right there. You can start an e-commerce store with as little as $200. No need to buy inventory upfront. This is where things get wild. You find a product, set up an online store, and then market it. You don't even have to handle shipping or inventory. The supplier does all that for you. But here's the catch. This hustle isn't a quick fix. You need to be strategic with your product selection, branding, and marketing. But once you nail it, you could be making thousands of dollars every month while your store runs on autopilot. So here's the truth. Saving $10,000 in 1 year is not just about hustling harder. It's about hustling smarter. These 5 remote side hustles can give you the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. But it all starts with one thing: taking action today. Are you going to keep dreaming about it, or are you ready to make it happen? The clock's ticking, and your future self will thank you. Make that $10,000 happen, and I'll see you at the top. This script combines urgency, empowerment, and humor to guide the audience towards taking action, and also uses cliffhangers and engaging transitions to keep them hooked.